Hey everyone. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you what's inside the Zacian EX slashing tins. So these are the 2025 tins, and you may have seen these in your Walmart or Target. And so there's two kinds. You have Zacian, and then you have Koraidon. So if you see any of these two, they do have the same contents, but I'm going to get straight into it as far as showing you what's inside of these tins, just so you don't have to look it up, right? Because I had this problem and I couldn't find a video that basically told me what was inside the tins. So right now I'm opening it up. And so the first thing that you have is, of course, the EX card. So this is a promo card, 198. So this is the Zacian EX 198 promo card. Sorry, it's not focusing. There you have it. So the first thing that you get is a promo card. And then the packs that are inside is that you get 2 Journey Together packs. You get 1 Surging Sparks pack. You get 1 Paradox Rift pack. And then you get 1 Obsidian Flames pack. So I recently was at Target and I asked him, what packs are inside. And, the lady doesn't really know better just because she told me that there's 5 packs inside, as shown here. But of course, we want to know what actual packs are inside, right? So I hope you found this video helpful. Again, you get 2 Journey Together packs, 1 Obsidian Flames, you get 1 Surging Sparks, and then you get 1 Paradox Rift. And you get 1 EX card. But there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.